Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. The way I've always made a shape like this, and I just make two ellipses, and you can do a lot of with this. You could weld it. I always take the Smart Fill tool and fill it in. But if somebody asked me a question, and I'm going to get there in just a second. But let's say it's not long enough, so you can make it longer or whatever you want to do. Well, this gentleman can't figure out why his calculator keeps coming up. Sorry about that. Anyway, he takes the 3-point curve line to make his, which is pretty good. I might start using it and just come down and then make a little pattern kind of like right in the middle. But his question is, when he Control D's and duplicates it and mirrors it, it comes up with that. And that's not what he wants. He wants it to be from tip to tip. So the reason for that, Control D, right up here is your object origin. That's object from the center. Let's go to just one side and then mirror it. Look what happened. Well, I picked the wrong side. I thought I just drew it the other way. So if you draw it the same way every time, if you draw it this way, and then you mirror it using this origin, I wish Corel would have made that a little bit bigger, and then mirror it, you get that right there. Now, I didn't draw it straight, so it's going to leak. So when you're doing something like that, especially with the 2-point line, make your line like perpendicular and then move it. Now, once again, I drew it the other way, so I'm going to mirror it. I'm going to Control D and mirror it. But that wasn't going to really warrant a video. But this does, because I kind of learned something tonight. Let's take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in with red. Now let's get our interactive fill tool. And the way I've always done darkness on both sides is I've scanned across both sides and then put dark on this corner and dark on this corner and then put red in the middle. And I missed the mark. Put red on that line. And you can see I'm not even. And if you play that a little even, but it's actually a little too dark and so on and so on. Well, I realized something tonight, kind of by accident. If we take I was just playing around, take our 2-point line, try to go from the middle outwardly. And let's put a little darkness there. Now we're pretty much in the middle. But if you take it with this selected and go right up here, see, that icon doesn't have an arrow. This one has an arrow. Repeat and mirror. And look what it did. It gave us a better, equal interactive fill tool. So two birds with one stone, maybe. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.